This is lesson 1.3, powers and exponents. We'll start off with vocabulary. A power is a way of writing repeated multiplication. So power is your vocabulary term. The base, which is your second vocabulary term, of the power is the factor. And the exponent is your third vocabulary term of a power is the number of times the factor is used. If you need to, pause the video now to get these vocabulary terms written down. Okay, this is an example of a power and exponent. This is your base, the 4 is the base, and the 6 is your exponent. The 6 tells you how many times that the base is used, so in this case 4 is used 6 times, or 4 is multiplied 6 times. So that gives you an example of a power, a base, and an exponent. Here's another example of an expanded version and writing it as a power. So the base in this case is 2 multiplied, so the base is 2, and it's used 4 times, so it's 2 to the 4th power. So let's do some examples of evaluating powers. So in this case, 7 to the 2nd power, or 7 squared. That means that 7 is used twice. So 7 times 7 equals 49. On this one, on B, 4 to the 3rd power means that 4 is used 3 times, or 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. 3 to the 1st power means that 3 is used 1 time, so in this case 3 to the 1st power is just 3. Here's some examples of writing products as a power. So again, your base in this case is 8, and the 8 is used 3 times, so your exponent is 3, so your power is 8 to the 3rd power, or 8 cubed. Here your base again is 5. It's used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, so 5 to the 6th power is your power in this case. Evaluating powers with variables. So we want to evaluate x squared, or x to the 2nd power, when x equals 9. So x squared is going to equal, we're going to substitute 9 in for x, so it's 9 to the 2nd power, or 9 squared, which equals 9 times 9, which equals 81. I want to evaluate b to the 3rd power when b equals 7. So b to the 3rd power is going to equal 7 to the 3rd power, which equals 7 times 7 times 7, which equals 49 times 7. 63, here your 6, 7 times 4 is 28, and 6 is 34, so that's going to equal 343. So this gives you examples of powers and exponents and concludes the lesson on powers and exponents.